Hello, my wonderful viewers. You're welcome once again to Frequency Online Maths. Today we are going to solve this math problem of the board. This is MTS 311 Advanced What Algebra. This is past question for Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department 400 level. So, as the class rep, I decided to make a video on this MTH past question so that my fellow students can learn from it. Find the value of x, 3 sine, 3 sin x. This is pronounced what? Sin, not sine. That's sine hyperbolic function of what? X minus 2 cos x minus 2 is equals to what? 0. Using hyperbolic functions formula. So we are going to solve this. We write our solution. In writing this, we are going to rewrite the question. 3 sin x minus 2 cos x minus 2 is equals to what? 0. So we are going to subtract 2 from what? Both sides. So we are going to have 3 sin x minus 2 cos x is equals to what? 2. We are going to move this 2 over to this side. Or you can just call this thing rearranging what? The equation. So we are going to know that sin x is equals to what? E raised to the power of what? X. Then minus e raised to the power of what? Minus x all over 2. This is the formula for sin x. Then for cos x is equals to e raised to the power of what? X plus e raised to the power minus x all over 2. The difference between this formula is that sin x has plus here, but cos x has what? Sin x has minus here, but cos x has what? Plus here. So let's start from this place. We are going to put this thing inside this equation. We are going to have 3 brackets. Sin x is what? E raised to the power of x. E raised to the power of x minus e raised to the power minus x all over 2. We close the bracket. I hope you are following. So we are going to put the minus sign here. Minus 2 brackets. Our cos x is what? See cos x here. E raised to the power of what? X plus e raised to the power of what? Minus x all over 2. We close the bracket. Is equals to what? 2. So we have formed what? A new what? Equation. So we are going to have 3 brackets e raised to the power of x minus e raised to the power minus x all over 2. We close the bracket. Now we can cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. We are going to have minus 1, but it's invisible 1, parenthesis e raised to the power of x plus e raised to the power minus x all over 1 is equals to what? 2. So we are going to have 3 brackets e raised to the power x minus e raised to the power minus x all over 2. We close the what? Bracket. So minus 1, we open this parenthesis here. It will be what? Or let us not open it now. We are going to have minus e raised to the power of x plus e raised to the power of what? Minus x all over 1 is equals to 2. So we are going to have 3 into e raised to the power of x minus e raised to the power of minus x all over 2. We close the parenthesis. Minus e raised to the power of x plus e raised to the power minus x all over 1 is equals to 2. So we are going to find the LCM. The LCM is what? 2. 2 divided by 2 is what? 1. 1 times this thing is what? 3 into e raised to the power of x minus e raised to the power minus x. We close it. Minus 2 into this is what? 2 divided by 1 is what? 2. That minus 2 times this thing is what? Parenthesis e raised to power x plus e raised to power minus x is equals to 2. The reason why I don't want to use the minus to open this parenthesis here is that it will work, it will be effective at this part. So we are going to have 3 times this is what? 3 e raised to the power of x. 3 times minus e raised to the power of x is minus 3 e raised to the power of what? Minus x. Then minus, we open the bracket. 2 times e raised to the power of x is what? Minus 2 e raised to the power of what? X. Minus 2 times e raised to the power of x is what? Minus 2 e raised to the power minus x. All over 2 is equals to what? 2. So let us clean this side. So we are going to say what? Multiply through by 2. So when we multiply 2 by 2, it will be what? Times 2. This one will cancel this one. Then multiply here by 2. It's going to be what? 4. So we are going to have 3 raised to the power of e raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of e raised to the power minus x minus 2 raised to the power e raised to the power x minus 2 raised to the power e raised to the power minus x is equals to what? 4. So let's take for like terms here. Let's take for like terms. 3 raised to the power e raised to the power x and this one. So we are going to have 3 raised to the power e raised to the power x minus 2 raised to the power e raised to the power x is what? E raised to the power of what? X. So we are going to write e raised to the power x here. E raised to the power of what? X. So this one is gone. Then minus 3 e raised to the power x minus 2 e raised to the power x is what? Minus 5 e raised to the power of what? Minus x is equals to 4. So we can say let e raised to the power x equals p. Any variable you want to represent it with, you can represent it. So we are going to have p minus 5 times 1 over e raised to the power of x is equals to what? 4. So we are going to have, this thing is what? The inverse. Anytime you have inverse, negative indices law, you have e raised to the power minus 1 is equals to what? 1 over what? A. So that's the negative what? Indices law. So we are going to have p minus 5 times 1 all over p is equals to what? 4. So we're going to have p minus 5 all over p is equals to what? 4. So we can call this one over 1 and find the LCM. The LCM of 1 and p is what? P. P divided by 1 is what? P. P times p is what? P squared minus p divided by p is what? 1. 1 times minus 5 is what? Minus 5 is equals to 4. So we can multiply through by what? P. When we multiply through by p, we are going to have what? We are going to have, this one will cancel out. So we're going to have p squared minus 5 is equals to 4p. So when we rearrange this equation, it's going to be p squared minus 4p minus 5 is equals to 0. We have formed a quadratic equation. Let's clean this side. So let's start. Let's rewrite this. P squared minus 4p minus 5 is equals to 0. Let's use scissors method and get the factors sharply. So what are we going to multiply? Two numbers we are going to multiply. It will give us -5. When we add them or subtract them, it will give us what? -4p. So the numbers will be, I think, -4 times 1 is what? No, it's not -4. -5 times +1 is what? -5. Then -5 plus 1 is what? -4. So the factors are -5 and 1. So we have +1 and what? -5. So p plus 1 and p minus 5 equals to 0. Now, when two numbers are multiplying each other to give you 0, it means that either of the numbers are what? 0. So it's either that p plus 1 is equals to 0 or p minus 5 is equals to 0. So p is equals to 1 and p is equals to 5. We have gotten the what? Root of this what? Quadratic equation. Now recall that e raised to the power of x is equals to what? P. So we are going to have e raised to the power x is equals to, let's do for, okay, this one will be -1, sorry, because when it crosses over it will be what? -1. Let's do for p raised to the power of 5 first. E raised to the power of 5 is what? What are we going to raise to the power of 5 so that it will equate to this one? Now remember that if you have e raised to the power of ln of any number is equals to what? That number. If you have e raised to the power ln of 2 is equals to 2. If you have e raised to the power of ln of any number is equals to what? That number. So let me bring my calculator. We are going to have this one we cancel out. So our x is equals to ln of 5. ln of 5 is 1.609. So x is equals to 1 point, that's x is approximately what? 2. Now let's work this one on this side. Recall that e raised to the power of x is equals to p. Now when e raised to the power of x is equals to what? 1 is equals to -1. You're going to have e raised to the power of x is equals to e raised to the power of ln of -1. And when you have e raised to the power ln of -1, you're going to get 0.1.3 something imaginary what? Numbers I. So in this point, there is no real solution for this one. You can just write no real solution. No real solution. The solution comprises of real and imaginary what? Numbers. So thank you for watching and may God bless you. Please share this video. Bye bye.